beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. Today I'm gonna be talking about color correcting. Color correcting has huge hype in makeup, like all the makeup brands out there bringing out some amazing color correctings, like whether it is in liquid form, whether it is in creamy form or powder form or whatever it is, they are bringing such amazing color correcting stuffs for makeup lovers like us. Now for those who don't know what color correcting actually is, color correcting is a method of using complementary colors to cancel out the looks of skin discoloration. This color correctors generally comes in like green, peach, orange, yellow, lavender kind of tones. For a little depth knowledge, I'm gonna attach a color wheel over here so you can understand that color that are exactly opposite in the color spectrum are actually works in the same way for our skin as well. As you can see, green goes opposite to the red. That means green neutralizes the redness from our skin. If you have any red spot or red blemishes, like people having redness around their cheek area, around their nose area, they can hide their redness by using this green color corrector. Now orange color corrector is most important because most of us want to hide or cover up our under eye dark circles, right? So to hide the under eye dark circles, we use orange color corrector. Let me clear you one thing, that we never got black tone underneath our eye area, right? It is kind of bluish, dark bluish or dark purplish kind of tone. You get to know by the color wheel that orange goes opposite to the blue. That means orange neutralize the blueness, or peachy kind of orange or peachy kind of shades will neutralize your dark bluish or dark purplish kind of tone which you got on your under eye area. Now comes to yellow corrector. Yellow corrector neutralize the dullness from our skin or any purple veins it shows, that will also cover up by the yellow corrector. Now there is a purple corrector as well. So purple corrector which comes in like pastel, lavender or lilac shade. This color corrector particularly neutralize the yellow tone from your skin and the sallow skin and even out the warm tone from your skin. Enough gyan from my side. Now I'm going to share something which really going to help you out. That is, I never bought any yellow or lavender color corrector for myself because as for me, we are Indians and Indians are blessed with warm skin tones. So we really don't need any extra yellow tone to our skin, right? Do we need that? No. Do we? No, right? No. So yellow corrector is a big no-no for me. And purple, lavender or lilac, whatever you want to call it, I never bought that stuff and I will never buy that too, because I think a good foundation can cover if I have any sallow area on my face. So why I need to put any extra amount of product on my face underneath my foundation? It can make my foundation look patchy or cakey or what else. So I really don't need that. And one more point is why I never bought this stuff is just like I generally do not like to waste my money on a particular stuff which I will barely use. My money can go on a good needed stuff. So yes, I never bought that. But if the yellow and purple does the trick for you, definitely go for it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I do my color correcting. As you can see, I have some dark circles underneath my eye area and some discoloration around my nose area. So I like to conceal that, and some around my lip area as well. So I like to cover that with the help of Kryolan 626B concealer. This is kind of a peachy tone like this. I use finger to conceal because I think that is more effective and that covers more with a less amount of product, just like this. Okay, now I'm going to cover this area. and some over here. And that's all for my skin. As you can see that I have used peachy kind of a shade to cancel out my discoloration. If you are same as my skin tone or if you're lighter than my skin tone, then you definitely go for peach color corrector to hide your dark circles. And if you're blessed with deeper skin tone than me, then you can definitely go for this kind of orangey color corrector. This will properly hide your dark circle and any black spot from your face. As I have told you before that green neutralizes the redness, so you can use this kind of green color corrector to hide your redness from your face. I have shown you that how I love to apply the color corrector on my face, but now I'm going to show you how to use this color correctors or any kind of color correctors. Just take the product on your middle finger like this and apply it on the particular spot and blend it with your ring finger like this. I think it is visible, just like this, okay? It will hide your redness, and same goes for the orange corrector or any corrector you wanna use. I have shown that I do use color corrector with my fingers rather than the brushes, but if you think brushes are doing good for you, then you definitely go for that. And this is the way I do my color correcting, and I got a flawless base by this technique. But if you have any other way to do color correcting, please do share on the description box below. I would love to appreciate that. And this is the end of this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I do upload. And I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. If you like to watch my crazy makeup looks, then follow me on Instagram. And if you like to see my bridal vlogs, then follow me on my Facebook page. Links are going to be on the description box below. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, tata, bye bye.